Did you guys see that?
You can find Super Bowl this track. Feel free to take those seats. If there's not enough room for your party though, please line up on a numbered star.
Wait, so why do I wear these glasses? Now y'all met me. My name is Julia. We've got our amazing driver, Jose. You'll want to have your cameras out for great photo opportunities, but keep an eye on them so they don't get wet. Finally, for your safety and those around you, please do not use selfie sticks while on them. Miss Kelly is on the premises. We've also Lopez versus Lopez, which is George Lopez's. All of that food artificially. We got some American Ninja Warrior fans. Woo-hoo. Now I feel like I could do that, right? I'm just kidding. I would need a lot of training, but
You have the cold vision gas. You're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island, you're up monsters, creatures from historical times. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Star Island, and it's great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D.
Picture cars. Anytime you see a vehicle on screen that anything that can take you from point A to point B, it's called a picture car. And we've got some right here for y'all to enjoy. We've got Biff's car. They clean the manure off for us. And very nice. We've got some futuristic cars from the distant year of 2015. Got some from the Stone Age, from the Flintstones. I wasn't the Flintstones. I got those Simpsons donuts on my mind, y'all. And we've got some new cars from Jordan Peele's collection of releases of the Crawdaddy from us and the Fry's electronics van from Nope. We've got the Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle, which is a very fancy term for that tank over there. That tank is really made of plywood, a couple of screws, and a really pristine paint job. Now, that tank was used in the Transformers movies, which were directed by Michael Bay. And if we know one thing about Michael Bay, it's that he loves to blow stuff. The real mobile lab from Jurassic Park: The Lost World. Uh-oh. And those are Dilophosaurus. Yeah, that's the one downside of making their cages out of plywood and cement. And they've been very mad ever since Jurassic World Dominion came out because they were I don't know why they take it out on me. I'm not Steven Spielberg. But we do have a beautiful dinosaur who's here showing us her good side. But don't look at her backside, cars being for it. It's not here in sunny Los Angeles for a rainstorm.
Oh, I'm in perfect position.
So we're gonna make a movie together. Thunder sounds already starting up for us to create this ambiance. Normally we would add those in post-production, but since there are no actors whose dialogue would get muddled by that, it's a practical effect, meaning unlike King Kong, that is happening before your very eyes, and it has been used by a lady here in Hollywood called forced perspective. When we want our cowboys to look really big and burly, we put them in front of a really small door, so that way their bodies seem bigger and more muscular. To look oh so helpless, and even the monsters took their very first steps. And we can transform this area into anywhere in the world. We've transformed it into Transylvania for Bela Lugosi's Dracula. We've turned it into Germany for Boris Karloff's Frankenstein.
This location.
We are in the good place.
I've never ever
This is
seen
the train they were waiting.
Stages. My driver Jose is the best. He's gotten in on a production team. He knows one of the directors of a new project that I can't tell you anything about. So let's keep every story. This is just a make sure everything's safe for us so we can step out and take a dip. Oh, hey George, I would get out of the water, buddy. Hey George. Hollywood. He's a little bit narcissistic. He was just trying to pop up to be in a selfie or two. Don't worry. Did expectations. In fact, Psycho was the very first movie in the United States to showcase a toilet flushing. And his movie The Birds officially turned 60 years old today. Happy birthday, Birds. We love you. And now we are entering going from the oldest and most historic, we are entering the largest and most impressive still standing set here at Universal Studios. This is Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. And yeah, that's a real Boeing 747 airplane. They purchased it for $60,000. And do you know how much money it took to ship it here? $200,000. Yeah, it really is the shipping and the handling that gets you in trouble. But I've got Steven right here on the line to talk to us more about it.
The airplane press site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision of Steven.
When you first began to sit down to talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the
Who are
747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just
Finger
something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Close your eyes, okay?
Now, even though I told you that's a real Boeing 747, you might not have realized it unless I said something, because when Boeing sold their plane to be utilized for War of the Worlds, they did the opposite of product.
By former child star Ricky and Judy Park. Over there, look into the winking room and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Right. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show.
Did you guys see that? Just kidding. You weren't supposed to. Don't worry. So, Jordan Peele coined the term the Jaws effect, and he utilized that technique when making his movie Nope. So, Steven Spielberg directed Jaws, and he learned a little something from it, from taking point-of-view shots from the shark's perspective. And so, did you notice any bodies in the seats of the airplane? Steven Spielberg said, sometimes it's scarier that they're not looking at. Pull in and get a little tune-up on our tram. Make sure everything is running in tip-top shape.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Never mind, a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss! Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Real interesting. This is our code.
please have a wonderful rest of your day here at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment.
Bathroom.
Oh yeah, I need to go.
We finished the tour, guys. They're so scared. Me too.